Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to do the practical measurement of mutual inductance of an series additive connection type transformer. We have to measure the mutual inductance in this transformer. Already connections has been explained in the previous video. Now let's try to operate. So here we have to apply an voltage of approximately 60. If you want to apply 60, you can see the lower scale is of 120, 150, upper scale is of 300. So how to convert the lower scale to upper scale is multiplication with 2. And here you no need to do any multiplication. Why? Because the base scale itself is 100, just multiply with 1. Now let's try to, we have to apply 60 volts. Directly we should not apply 60, 60 by 2. 60 by 2 is how much? 30. So now gradually apply an voltage of 30 volts through an auto transformer. Now slowly I am adjusting the auto transformer and I am applying an, so you can see here the knob is at 30 into 2, 30 into 2 is how much? 60 volts, and therefore the current will flow in the meter, so which is nothing but 25 milliamperes. Okay, so that we are going to tabulate here. So here you can see here, write down the applied voltage, which is nothing but 30 into 2. 30 into 2 is how much? 60. And how much amount of milliamperes current is flowing is 25 milliampere. Calculate V by I ratio, then you will get in kilo ohms. Now the same experiment we should do it for another operating voltage. So now 60 we applied. Now rather than, we are going to increase the voltage to 80. 80 by 2 is how much? 40. So you have to set it to 40. So 40 by 2. Okay, sorry, 40, you have to apply 40 into 2. 40 into 2, you are going to get a voltage of 80 volts. So 80 volts we are applying, and the current which flows in the ammeter is approximately 28 milliamperes. Okay, so this is nothing but, we are applying 40 volts with the scaling of 2, we are going to get 80 volts, and a current of 28 milliamperes is flowing. You have to calculate the impedance in kilo ohms. So further proceed with 100 by 2 is how much? 50. Apply an voltage of 50 volts here. So we are going to apply an voltage of 50 volts here. When you apply 50, 50 into 2 is how much? 100. So we are applying an voltage of 100 volts here, and write down the corresponding current. So the current which flows into the meter is approximately 33 milliamperes. We are going to get a current of 33 milliamperes. So when you get a current of 33 milliamperes, you have to calculate the impedance. Further, let us try to go for 120 volts. So 120 by 2 is how much? 60. So you have to apply a voltage of 60. 60 into 2 is 120 volts. Apply a voltage of 120 volts. Therefore, a current of 30